This guide will help you download usage reports on Fundbox for the year 2026. Follow these simple steps to access your reports easily. Step 1. Log into your Fundbox account. Visit the Fundbox website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to view and download reports. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu. Look for the Reports or Usage Reports option and click on it to access the Reports dashboard. Step 3. Select the desired report. In the Reports section, browse through the available reports. Choose the specific usage report you want to download for the year 2026. Step 4. Set the date range. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Esro to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Download the report. Once the report is generated, look for the download button or link. Click on it to save the report to your device in your preferred format, such as PDF or Excel. Now you can easily access your usage reports on Fundbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Fundbox support.